Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my hotel room in Brisbane. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name's Rory. I run a filmmaking business where I film weddings, events, real estate, all that sort of thing. And this weekend I've had the opportunity to head into Northern Australia, into Moreton Island outside of Brisbane, a beautiful tropical paradise, to film a wedding. And I thought I'd run through the gear that I took. First of all, I'll show you a little snippet from that wedding.
From the moment I met you, Mr. Bycroft, it was fun, it was wild, it was exciting.
Brianna, from the first moment I met you, I was taken by your beautiful cheeky smile and your gorgeous big brown eyes. And let's not forget about that butt. So let's get hitched. I can call you my boo-boo. I love you.
So yeah, obviously needing to jump on a plane and travel to film a wedding means that you do need to really think about what you're actually carrying. When I'm filming weddings in Tasmania, I can fit everything in the back of the car, so I don't really need to worry about it. I can bring every single piece of equipment I have. But traveling for a wedding like this, you have some significant weight restrictions and things like that. So I'm going to go through everything that I brought with me. It's as pared down as I could comfortably make it without sacrificing quality. So let's start with the actual bag that most of the stuff is in. This is the stuff that I bought carry-on. And when it came to the carry-on, I put everything in here that I could not possibly film a wedding without. Because if the bag went missing, then I would be able to actually, if my checked bag went missing, then I would be able to still film a wedding with everything that's in this bag. Whereas if like cameras and lenses and stuff went missing, then I'd be up the creek without a paddle. So the bag's actually it's a Niwa bag that I got from Amazon. And I think it was only about $100 or something, like maybe just over $100, but it's perfect carry-on dimensions and it has a decent amount of storage inside. So opening it up, when it comes to the cameras, I actually bought 2 of my S5s with me. Normally I'll shoot a wedding with 3 S5s, but I bought 2 with me. One of them I'm filming on right now, and the other one is in the bag here. Lenses, I bought the 85mm Lumix, which I love, which is on this one. I bought the 35mm, which I'm filming on right now. And I also bought the 24-70, which is a very versatile lens. And I actually filmed probably 90% of the wedding day on this lens because I didn't have the 3 camera bodies with me. It gave me a good variety of focal lengths. I bought a GoPro with me because it was a tropical island. I did a little bit of snorkeling and I was able to get a few shots of that I'll hopefully be able to include into their wedding film when I finish it. Obviously all my batteries. I bought a little Bluetooth speaker so that we could play their wedding song when we were out on the boat and they were dancing to it. I bought the DJI, the Air 2S drone, which it is a bigger drone, and I did contemplate bringing the Mini with me, but I just thought, given that where I was going to be, I thought that the Air 2S was the appropriate one to bring. I still bought my 32-bit f6 audio recorder, even though I probably could have gotten away with not using a audio recorder like this. I probably could have gotten away with using lav mics. I thought that it deserved having perfect audio, so that's why I bought that with me. Also in this bag, I've got a battery for my light, which is 98 watt hours, which is safe for carry on a plane. Just be aware if you're going to bring big V-mount batteries, they have to be 90 watt hours or below. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything that's in this bag. I've got a couple of filters and stuff in there, but I just used like my normal ND filter in that one. In here, I actually bought my Aperture 60X. I could have probably bought the smaller torch LEDs, but I would have needed 2 of them. And with the Aperture 60X, it's a lot more versatile. So I've got that in there. I've got 2 Rode Video Micros. I do actually have a torch LED light in here. That was a backup, and little blower and some gaff tape. And yeah, that's everything that's in that bag. I've got my little pouch of audio gear. So inside this, I carry all of my Rode Wireless Go's. Obviously I'm using some of the equipment at the moment, as well as all the lavalier equipment. In this, I also had the cables for the F6, as well as the little attachments that go into the equipment as well. For stabilization, I have a tripod, which this camera is sitting on right now. And I have my Ronin RS2, which is amazing. I really enjoy this gimbal. And also my monopod. So during the ceremony, normally I would set up 2 cameras diagonally on tripods and then my monopod in the center. But what I did was I set up 1 tripod diagonally with the 85, and then with the 24-70, I went between the center aisle and the other side of the ceremony, just to make sure I covered the bases, depending on who was talking at what time. And finally, a light stand. And I bought one of my shorter light stands, which was a sacrifice I didn't really want to make, but my taller ones couldn't actually fit into my checked baggage, so I had to bring this one. And I do have a sandbag in my checked luggage as well, which is empty at the moment, but because it was a beach wedding, I could just fill it up on the beach the morning of the wedding. And then obviously all the chargers and everything that goes with all of this is in my checked luggage as well. So yeah, a really nice quick video. I hope you guys find it useful. I hope you guys can compare it to what I normally bring to a wedding day from one of my previous videos. If you did find it useful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.